Hey everybody, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, quick little video. There's a contest going on by Quikrete. It's a one bag wonder competition. This is the third annual competition. If you make something out of a bag or less than a bag of Quikrete concrete, you can submit it to the contest, which I think ends in June 4th. And the first prize is $5,000. Second prize, $2,500. So if you're normally a do-it-yourself guy, why wouldn't you want to spend a couple bucks, a few dollars, buy yourself a bag of concrete and try making a product, a little do-it-yourself item. Here's a quick overview of some of the items people have made in the past. Some of them are pretty neat. I don't know if I can beat these guys, but if you enjoy do-it-yourself, you're going to be making stuff anyway. Why not enter the contest? Like I said, you could win $5,000. So it's very inexpensive product to work with, and it ends in June 4th. So go to quikrete.com and look up the contest rules and make something, put it on YouTube, and give it a shot. I'm going to make something. I don't think I can make anything as nice as some of the people have made here and these past designs, but I've got an idea for something nobody's done before. So I always like to make something nobody's done before on YouTube. So give this a shot if you're a do-it-yourself, or even if you're not. If you want to make something with concrete, get yourself a bag for just a few dollars. It's one of the least expensive building and creative items you can purchase is concrete. So give this a shot. I think you'll get your creative juices flowing. I've liked in the past entering the 2x4 contest and some of the other pallet wood contests. They're always fun to get the creative juices flowing. But this is something a little different. And I hope to see you out there, guys. Like I said, go to quikrete.com, and it ends on June 4th. All right, guys. See you out there. Quikrete.com.